In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a video in Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First things first, to edit a video on Vimeo, you need to open Vimeo and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's really easy to sign up. Just follow the prompts on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your library. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored. Now navigate your way through the library and locate the video you want to edit. Once you've found the video, give it a click to select it. You should see a variety of options, but what we're looking for is the editing button, which is represented by a scissors icon. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the editing button, you'll notice an option to select the video editor. Go ahead and click that, and just like that, the video editor will open up. Welcome to the editing world of Vimeo. Once the editor is up, you'll see a timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is where all the action happens. The timeline represents the full length of your video. Here's where you can do a little magic. To trim a clip, select the clip you want to edit by clicking on it in the timeline. After you've selected it, you can simply drag the edges of the clip inward to trim that section. Now let's say you want to make a cut in the video at a specific point. Move the playhead, which is that little vertical line on the timeline, to the exact spot where you want to split the clip. Once your playhead is in place, look for the split button and give it a click. Just like that, you've made your cut. If you see any unwanted sections in your video, you can select those too. Just click on the section you want to remove and hit delete. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. The Vimeo video editor is quite robust, and it also allows you to crop, replace, or even add new media. If you want to crop your video, look for the cropping tool in the editing options on the side. Simply select it and adjust the crop according to your needs. If you want to replace a clip completely, or insert new media, you can easily do that too. Just look for the option to upload new media or drag it into your editing space, and then place it on the timeline where you want it to appear. Now let's talk about rearranging your clips. If you decide that a certain clip needs to be moved, simply click on it, hold it, and drag it to your desired position on the timeline. This can be particularly useful if you're trying to create a specific flow or build tension in your narrative. Once you've made all of your changes, take some time to review what you've created. Play through your video and see if everything flows nicely. If you're satisfied with your edits, it's now time to save your masterpiece. Look for the save option and give it a click. Make sure to give your newly edited video a catchy title. You want it to stand out. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit a video in Vimeo. From trimming clips to rearranging them and adding new media, you now have the tools to create a polished final product. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video so that we can keep bringing you more content like this. Thanks for watching.